Friends, so last classes I completed example number 22. Now start some properties of complement. So write some properties of complement. So first property is properties of complement. Suppose U is universal set having 10 elements and set A suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, then what is its complement? So its complement is, that is U minus A. Complement means U minus A, that is यूनिवर्सल सेट माइनस सेट. आप U में से A को माइनस कर दो. सो एलिमेंट्स आर फ्रॉम 5, 6, 7 so on 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the U A complement. Now find A union A complement. So A union A complement. अब दोनों एलिमेंट को कंबाइंड नोट कर देंगे. सो राइट कंबाइंड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट स्टार्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए, दैट इज 1, 2, 3, 4. देन यूनियन राइट A dash that is 5, 6 so on up to 10. And this set is equal to U, universal set. This is equal to U, that is universal set. So this is the first property. First property is A union A dash is equal to U. This U is a universal set. And next property, this is first property, A union A dash is equal to U. Now find A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash, that is what is common element between A and A dash. So check that what is common. Here A 1, 2, 3, 4 and A dash 5, 6, 2 up to 10. So there is no any common element between A and A dash. So A intersection A dash is 5. This is the second property. A intersection A dash is equal to 5. Next property, already example number 22 discussed. A union B whole complement, this equal to A complement intersection B complement, already discussed example 22. And similarly A intersection B whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. आप इंटरसेक्शन टू सेट्स का इंटरसेक्शन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल रहे हो. यह कॉम्प्लीमेंट दोनों सेट पे होगा और बीच का साइन चेंज्ड. यदि यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्शन है तो साइन यहाँ हो जाएगा यूनियन. यदि आपका यूनियन है तो साइन हो जाएगा इंटरसेक्शन. सो दिस बोथ आर कॉल्ड डी मॉर्गन्स लॉ. De Morgan's law. Both are called De Morgan's law. Now next property, fourth, A complement whole complement is equal to A. Discuss previous example. And fifth property is, what is U complement? Universal set U complement. U complement, that is U minus U. जिस सेट का आप कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल रहे हो उसे यूनिवर्सल सेट में माइनस करेंगे, दैट इज U माइनस ए. एंड U माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू 5. ऑल एलिमेंट सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो U डैश इज इक्वल टू 5 एंड 5 डैश इज इक्वल टू 5 dash that is U minus 5 and U minus 5 is equal to U. So 5 dash is equal to U. So this is the properties all the properties of a complement of sets. And now exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. 1.5 is first U given, A given, B also given. Question number 1. B given, C given, then find A dash. Simple sa question. For A dash, that is U minus A. Similarly B dash. Similarly A union C whole dash. So find A union C, then find its complement. So all are easy. First का sixth. Sixth is find B minus C whole complement. So first find B minus C. So B minus C, that is all the element of set B which is not belongs to C. आप बुक में देख लो एग्जाम्पल. बी सी क्या है? All element of B which is not belong in C. So 2, this B minus C is 2, 4 belong in, 6 also belong in, and 8. This is 2, 8, 2 and 8 not belong in the set C. So this is B minus C, and now find its complement. Find its complement. Complement, that is U minus B minus C. फाइंड कर लोगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, U given, then find the complement of the following sets. All are easy. Find the complement. So question number 2 is homework. Question number 3, taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. Question number 3 is universal set U is equal to set of natural number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This is the set of natural number, that is universal set. Write down the complement of the following sets. First given x such that x is an even natural number. X such that x is an even natural number. X such that x even natural number. And universal set is the set of natural number. So its complement is equal to, suppose this set is A, suppose this set A, or direct write. So its complement is equal to, universal set minus this set, universal set, set of all real number, set of all natural number, and minus x is an even natural number. So आप minus कर दें even natural number, then remaining element, that is all are odd natural numbers. So 1, 3, 5, so on. Complement this, and this can return x such that x is an odd natural number, that is U minus given set. So question number 3 also easy. Subtract all the elements. Suppose 10th is x such that x greater equal to 7. X greater equal to 7, that is this equal to all numbers which is greater equal to 7, and x is a natural number. So 7, 8, 9, 10, so on, all natural numbers, and its complement is equal to U minus this set, U minus this, U, suppose this set is A, then U minus A, and U is equal to 1 to all natural number minus A. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the complement. So question number 3 also easy. Find all the complement. Question number 4 also. U given, A given, B given, then verify. Already verify previous example. So question number 4 also homework. Now question number 5. Question number 5. 5 is draw appropriate Venn diagram of each of the following. First, Venn diagram of A union B whole complement. Draw Venn diagram. So for Venn diagram, first draw universal set, and for universal set draw a rectangle. This is rectangle, that is universal set. Then draw two sets. This one is A and this set suppose B, A and B, and first A union B, that is combined all the elements of set A and set B. आप A B दोनों को combine कर दोगे तो पूरा ये whole आ गया union B, and its complement that is outside of A union B. So this part, this is the Venn diagram of A union B whole complement, that is out of A union B. Since this is the diagram of A union B, Venn diagram of A union B is universal set A, B, A and B. This whole part is the Venn diagram of A union B, because combined A and B दोनों को combine कर दिए, and its complement that is outside of this Venn diagram, that is whole this part. So this is the Venn diagram of A union B whole complement. Similarly, draw A complement intersection B complement. Now Venn diagram of A complement intersection B complement. So first draw rectangle, universal set U, this is set A and set B, set A and set B. First we draw the Venn diagram of A dash. A dash means outside of A. So A dash means outside of A, that is this one. Outside of A. So plus sign is the Venn diagram of A dash. Now draw the Venn diagram of B dash. B dash means outside of B. So draw Venn diagram outside of B, minus, 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 minus. Light is cut. So draw, I discuss the next class. Some problem. Light is cut, so draw the next class.